The stats are average per person for credit card debt is almost $7,000 per household. It's almost 11 grand. Total credit card debt by early 2025 is 1.29 trillion.
The credit card industry spends more on advertising and marketing in a year than all professional sports put together, and than all in any other product line, than automotive line. Put together Ford, Chrysler, Toyota, whatever. There's a lot of television commercials with Chevy trucks running through the mud.
Oh yeah.
Nothing like Visa. Nothing like Visa, Mastercard.